Mpuntuhene bi na mabu Mpuntuhene ewa Sakyi yewo nana adoso hene nana yeweso udewe usana ubi yewo kakrama no oma usana na waya ene yewo Awuku Mpuntuhene ono so o ahebi ye ena yewo Akuapem ono so ahebi ena yewo nana Patmost ashrasi osami ohena na Akuapem yewo nana Mpuntuhene owaha omanisa so yewu yewo nana Chidomhene Akuapem Mpuntuhene ni Chidomhene owaha yewo Akuapem sana ono so ahebi unana no nsembo ni so polisi popa na mutumi mo nsembo yewo asuna Akuapem owaha yewo okobo ahene ondo shedi chichi na wi se bida yewo osompahene yewo ene yewo Palace Chapel ono so owaha ene yewo Awuku Akropong owaha yewo Akropong owaha omanisa so yewo Akuapem owaha Akuapem asopahene ono so owaha yewo yenya ba no se bia na wa kan se sa go chi ti o te ti ti a mo chi ba tu mo se ma na ya ni yewo Akuapem Maria ko pa ka se mo fi so wa ndi yo ai ne ju be yi ti ke ye ko bra na Maria ai na se mu yo migration municipal command yewo nsi ani mufo ha the rest was all so na no one to know yewo fire service yewo also municipal command for nsi ani mufo ha yewo zoom line also ha yewo all police for what they do to go now
Nananom, distinguished guests, Akuapem elders, members of the Odwira Planning Committee 2024, friends from the media, security forces, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with pleasure and pride that we gather here today to outdoor the various activities that encapsulate this year's Odwira Festival. The annual Odwira Festival, the gathering for Odwira, is now much more than a celebration. It is a living expression of our rich culture, our shared history, and the values that define us as a community. Traditionally, the Odwira Festival signifies a time when we come together to honor our ancestors, celebrate our heritage, and reaffirm the bonds that unite us. The importance of this festival cannot be emphasized enough. It is a time for reflection, renewal, and reconnecting with our roots. Each year, as we gather for Odwira, we are reminded of the need to preserve our traditions and ensure that they are passed down to future generations. But the success of this festival is not by chance. It is the result of meticulous planning, dedication, and the collective efforts of many, several of whom are here today. And we applaud you all and commend you for your selfless dedication to Akuapem. They consist of the Odwira Planning Committee, convened by Osiadeyo Kwesi Akufu III himself, Akuapem, and charged with the planning and organization of the event. It extends also to the Akuapem Traditional Council, our revered traditional divisional chiefs, Mpuntuhene, Adontehene, Jasihene, Nifahene, and Mpuntuhene, the MCE and his team, the security forces, the sanitation authorities, I see Zoom Lion here, the religious bodies, and so on. No institution should feel left out. This year's Odwira Festival will start on October 7th and runs all the way through to October 18th. It is preceded, as customarily occurs, with the Adaibutu, which takes place next Wednesday, October 28th. I wish on this occasion to extend an appeal to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora, the Akuapem Global Network, Okusaka Akuapem Association of USA and Canada, the Akuapem Feku of UK and Ireland, and others within the diaspora groups to join us in making this year's celebration memorable and impactful. Over the years, the Odwira Festival has grown and evolved, embracing new ideas while staying true to its core values. And the core values, the core traditional activities remain unchanged. Nana Semenshia will go into those details as we go along. But in addition to the core traditional activities, there are several others that we have embraced as a community. They include an Akuapem-wide sanitation day, a tree planting exercise, a public lecture, the ever-popular Fonton From dance competition, an Akuapem-wide health day, just to mention a few. There are also several exciting and innovative ideas that have come to the fore, but I will remain silent on those until they are rolled out. This evolution of activities, new activities, is not only a testament to the diversity and inclusiveness of our culture, but also to the vision and foresight of the Akuapem Osiadeyo Kwesi Akufu III. Our traditional leaders, the dedication of our people, and the unwavering support of all our partners. Today, the Akuapem Odwira is not just a celebration for our local communities, but indeed a national event that is gaining recognition globally, attracting enthusiastic visitors from near and far, all eager to witness and partake in our vibrant culture, as well as contributing to our development agenda as a people. The theme for this year is Sustainable Development through Patronage of Ecotourism and Environmental Health. We will go into those details in due course. But this theme demonstrates the realities of our time while reflecting the uniqueness of Akuapem's natural endowment in harnessing the benefits of ecotourism. Distinguished guests, Nananom, the composition of our Odwira Planning Committee reflects the collective spirit and responsibility that lies at the heart of Odwira Festival. Each member brings a unique perspective and valuable skills to the table, working together to ensure the festival's success. The chairpersons of the various committees, finance, traditional, protocol, hospitality, and others will be formally introduced to this gathering. As we prepare for this year's Odwira Festival, I wish to stress the importance of sustainable financing. While securing the necessary funds to plan and execute this year's festival is crucial, we must also think long-term. We must adopt a broader perspective ensuring that the financial support we mobilize is managed judiciously towards endowing our future with a solid financial base. The Akuapem Traditional Council underlined this fact and charged the planning committee to ensure financial sustainability moving into the future. We therefore appeal to all our various constituents, the corporate bodies, our well-wishers, etc., to join us in contributing financially towards a successful Odwira Festival. And as chairman of the committee, I can assure you with my full assurances that there will be judicious management of all our resources that are entrusted to us. But this effort is not only about monetary contributions. It's about bringing together all available resources, time, skills, ideas, and materials. Every member of our community has something valuable to offer, and it is this collective effort that will make the festival a success. Let me remind you that this festival belongs to all of us. It is a celebration of our unique shared identity as Akuapems. I therefore once again seize this occasion to extend an arm of peace and kinship to all who for any reason may have differences and grievances that impede upon our unity and harmony as Akuapemang. After all, Odwira is a period of reconciliation and peace. Let us therefore make peace and unity our mantra in Akuapem and move Akuapemang forward from strength to strength. To our friends in the media, I wish to call upon you to expand your coverage of this year's Odwira Festival. And it must expand beyond your traditional coverage of just the Durbar, the final Durbar. But we appeal to you to cover the various activities that showcase the development trajectories of our communities. It is a 2-week-long celebration. And after our celebration, the various divisions and towns subsequently celebrate their respective Odwira festivals. We therefore entreat you not to leave anybody out of your coverage. Finally, to all our constituents, I say once again, we need your continued support in a collective manner for a successful festival. I encourage each and every one of us to get involved, offer your time, once again your financial contributions, your skills, your presence, or simply by spreading the word and encouraging others to participate. Together, we can ensure that Akuapem Odwira 2024 is not just a success, but will become a lasting benchmark for future generations. I thank you. May the spirit of Odwira guide us all towards a festival of excitement, adventure, and bonding. An Odwira festival that will make us all proud as Akuapem. Thank you. Period of traditional and spiritual purification. Nti eno de ehu hia pa na eno de yere nsesa na da. E je se ya de a frititi ye nenanom wode ma ye. Me je se afibia ye. Na not only does it have spiritual and traditional significance, but historically, a chere nkunima Akuapem yedi 1826 over Asante's war Akatamanso. Name you are serious son. Kangono ubeto Odwira afiswa we say na den ne aye na den ne person ye na we hwe ne ma we so afi ye hwa ye hia post office nti ye nyina yemfa yensi camera na yensi post office uko baby a we say afi police station nti afi ye brei ye nyina yenhwe na yenhwe se yem police station ye betumi asiana na you asi asesa and say me just say wunya Mpuntuhene wunya development abrofo your friend is sustainable na say we share enim na say we say we share enima na say we nya ade a we just say we are enye afin na ade a ebekọ we just say ebekọ enima obi a benya ho mfaso nti osi ade yo kwasi akufu obai wabeye nia abrofo say eye scoping say Akuapem kra degna yebetumi aye their mayen development aye sustainable going into the future. If say okay Akuapem na obia the presby fu say enye presby no say na won ama ne dia de na osi ade yo say ono de on ne mpanyin wo hwa theme SSA eda yenim afi yede beko enim no o say a sustainable development through patronage of ecotourism and environmental health. Maminka bio sustainable development through patronage of ecotourism and environmental health. Mpacho mumbo musemu maye na. Ebi say enye adeketwa sustainable development through patronage of ecotourism and environmental health. Now, what can ecotourism? Well, we just say anope mu eye ha yen weather ewo ha me tell say binum hihye coat ni sweater ni ade no enye bebia na wo benya sa wo Ghana na wo West Africa wo ko kwawuman kakra na wo ya benye na wo de na krampo me just say enu ha de no nti se wo se Akuapem weather Akuapem landscape Akuapem me just say niama eye natural resources ewo ho wo ko me just say yen waterfalls yen green na brofo friend fauna ni flora ni sania me me just say wonya bi bia na eno na ye pese ye capitalize on we say ye harness me just say ye pese ye gina eno so ye pese ye bese no kra but ye pese ye you are saying tourist na woba na wo nia ewo ha we hu na wo hu enu a ecotourism enye physical but enye geographic but ye traditions no so ka ho we hu ti bi just wo be kokro bi so na kan no wo ye ne sa na wa sesa na yen sania na na se na hia kan no fititi sania ye no ewo significance so enu ne e pese ye de kwa ni we hu ti ecotourism no we are attracting all from asanda se won be hu yen natural resources yen traditional resources na wo banso a won be suade na won fanko na yen so yen nya ho mfaso e say wo ba yen nya ho mfaso ye pay businesses but businesses are ye pay no and then ecotourism we just yen kesi brana besi 100-story abrusanwo na yen be just a hotel edukroma safari a beautiful example of ecotourism. Well, if say we are blending the hotel no with the natural environment into you get all the facilities that you will get anywhere in the world, but it is within the context of ecotourism. If you say you preserve your environment, you preserve your culture, you preserve the health of your people, and at the same time you have development. Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, yen theme Odwira 2024, sustainable development through patronage of ecotourism and environmental health. Midamasi.
It's a good year.